Guess who got pulled over? Of course, me. YouTube, what's going? It's your boy Ayo, man. As y'all can see, bro, got some heat out here today, bro. But you got the ZL1, got my boy Cat right there, got my Cat, got the GTO, got my boy V6 out here, just sliding with the bros and shit. We got the E85 Type R right here, going crazy, bro. As y'all can see, bro, I'm just getting a little light POV for y'all boys, man. Like, so I'm trying to get consistent with this uploading stuff. Told y'all in the last video, what, it's like 2 days ago? Here I am again, going crazy with it. Trying to get y'all something light, bro. Trying to get y'all something light, I think he running full boat dons. He got full boat dons, E85 in his ZL1. This stuff clean too, though. This stuff tough. So he going crazy. I know he looking like, nigga, what the hell going on here, bro? Cars lined up and shit. He feel awkward as hell pulling up. But nah, bro. He said, I don't know. I don't know if he trying to downplay it and try to surprise somebody on the freeway. I don't know what's going, but yes, sir. We already know how the Cat rocking. Stock Cat, my Cat stock. He ain't really got nothing done to his. We got some other bros. They ain't pop out today though. We got some other shit though. But my boy, he had to go get some E. He came out here. He was like, bro, see 2 Cats, see a ZL1 GTO. Had to go get some stuff, bro. So that stuff hard, bro. For sure. I had to get out of there, boy. It started getting hot. But like I said, man, I'm trying to get everything back on track, bro. I'm trying to go crazy with this stuff. Got some boys down here finally, bro. Link up. Got some other cars, you know what I'm saying? So it ain't like I'm running with little stock RTs and stuff. So got some other whips out here, bro. Like I said, got the ZL1, Hellcat, Type R, everything. Y'all ready to slide? Yeah. All right, for sure. So yeah, we finna slide, bro. Get y'all little POV and everything. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. And let's get it. Yeah, I always go wait for somebody else to pull up. All right, there you go. Go ahead there. We got the Cat pulling off. We'll just catch up to these boys, man. All right, I'll just go ahead and go there and shit. But yes, sir. Hell nah, they Hey, but we back at it again. You dig? We back at it again, bro. Like I said, man. We got some boys that's on the same too. This nigga. Hell no. Cops gonna be on that. That's crazy. We gotta be, hey, the cops be out here crazy, bro. I ain't really want to burn the spot up like that, but we roll the windows up. We back at it again, gang. You dig, man? Another day, bro. What's today, Friday? The comment section, man, y'all just let me know how y'all Friday turning out, bro. You know what I'm saying? Let me know how y'all Friday turning out, man. How y'all day going so far, man. Happy Friday to everybody. Yes, sir. We got them cars out today. Let me hold on, bro. We supposed to be stuff in there. My boy about to wreck, ain't it? Now, I forgot about this little so you got to wait for everybody and shit. But yeah, everybody flying out, everybody going crazy. I'm trying to, hopefully we get some runs. I'm trying to see if they go line it up on the way over here. Let me see. That's Ersky. I don't know where the GTO and the Type R went. What the hell? But yeah, man, we out here on a beautiful Friday. Just driving, enjoying the weather. You did. Trying to catch up with these boys, bro. Sirski. Hey, look at it. Don't that look hard? we got some heat, what? Man, don't it look good, bro? Taking over the freeway. Look at these boys. Oh! Hey, that ZL1 crazy! That ZL1 crazy! Hey, we got the GTO catching up, bro. Oh! They catching up. Damn. Hey, nah, that ZL1 crazy though, bro. Like I said, he running E85. Oh, let me, hold on, I got his wind. Hold on, my bad, y'all. I probably can't hear nothing I'm saying. Nah, that ZL1, they got full boat on E85. I ain't about to lie, it looked like that Hellcat was struggling keeping up, bro. I don't know. It looked like he was struggling a little bit. I don't know, coach. I don't even know where we going once again. But I think we got the GTO finna pull up. Hold on. He merging through. These niggas cutting up. Look at it. Oh, they finna run it. They finna run it. Oh, they finna run it. Finna instigate some shit. Hold on, let me get up here. Hey, my bad, I ain't even talking. These niggas, all four of these niggas finna line it up. What y'all got good? That's crazy. That's crazy. Now that ZL1 got it for sure, bro. That ZL1 got that shit for sure. No hands, no hands. Yeah, it is, nigga. Nah, I think that ZL1 got it for sure, bro. That's actually crazy, bro. Damn, my boy. Damn, cop. Damn! 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 The cop got it, coach. Oh my God. The cop got him. The cop got him. Oh, let me get over it. Let me get over it. Oh, that's crazy. I think he heard us, bro. I don't think he caught nobody in that. Oh, snap. Oh. So I thought he was going for the ZL1. But he ain't pulled nobody over. But he rushed up there, though. I got out the fucking way. It looked like he was trying to get somebody. I don't know why the hell. Nigga, everybody get off on the freeway. What the fuck? Yo. Yo. So everybody got off on the freeway. My boy stayed on there. Everybody's like, nah, hell nah. Cop came in there. I thought he was finna pull me over, bro. I was finna be like, video done. Video done. It's over with. But, I don't know what the hell he was doing, bro. But I know he called it in, so we got to chill out somewhere. Hold on. Damn. That's crazy. I'm trying to see what happened to the GTO. I gotta go ask him where everybody regrouping at, bro, because shit. I thought my boy was done for sure, bro. I thought that ZL1 was done for sure. Yes, sir. I'm over here. Nigga, everybody done split up, bro. I gotta see where everybody at. Hold on, bro. Hold on. Guess who got pulled over? Guess who got pulled over? Of course. Me. Got a fix-it ticket. So, obviously I don't have front plates on my car. Have to get front plates. Tint. I don't know, bro. But let me see where these boys at, man. See if they want to keep going and filming or not, because I know that's a short video. So we'll see what's going real quick, man. I'm gonna get right back with your boys, bro. I'm not even finna cap. I'm mad as hell because I just pulled up. As y'all can see, the boys right here, bro. Everybody pulled up. The whole time, my dumb ass, I'm thinking I'm recording, bro. And I look down, and then I try to press stop, and then the phone start recording. I missed almost a whole about 10 minutes of content, bro. So, I mean, I don't know. Basically, I just told them, like, you know, I got pulled over. They was looking for my boy, you know, he done got away and everything, but, you know, me, look at this. But me, you know, like I said, I'm the top 1% chance of bullshit happening to, that's me. But yeah, so I can see with all the whips out right here, everything. So I wasn't recording, bro. So tell them again. So you said what happened, bro? You said you getting the ZL1.
1,000%, but we'll see. We're gonna line it up. You know what it is, man.
Hey, I told him, like, when I say, I don't know if y'all can see it on the video and stuff. I don't know, bro. Like I said, I know what that cat can do, bro. But that motherfucker looked like it was moving, but I ain't about to lie. That ZL1 looked like it was getting on down, bro. It looked like, yeah, that bitch was moving, though, bro. But I'd like to see another run. I told him I'm good, bro. I just got pulled over. I'm straight, you know, me. But it was only 3 of us, though. It was only the ZL1, my Hellcat. Actually, it was 4 of us, bro. But that's just a little short video, man. Just hopefully y'all enjoyed that. You know, I know it's probably a short video, but it is what it is, bro. But make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Like, comment, subscribe, bro. And yeah.